So today I took, I don't know, probably more than half an hour since this video is 25 minutes. I had to pause it a lot, but I actually had some success today. Found a new video series. So I just watched the first video. I'm going to be watching the next one here for my next part of my project and doing what's in there. But I had a pretty basic, and it's not even really a game right now. It's seriously a lot of basic stuff, like something I mentioned in my video that I posted on Tuesday is the ones that I'd noticed had been making a canvas. So really that's a box that shows up in your web browser. So I made that canvas, has a certain size in pixels. It's got a certain color with a border that's 1 pixel wide. But then bulk of the stuff that I have going on here is JavaScript, which is a language that runs computer games on a lot of web-based platforms or websites. So we had to kind of import this canvas or let JavaScript know that there was this box for it to do stuff in. I set a font and a size. I created variables, which just store numbers in this case. And then what I was doing here was filling in text, meaning I was putting a P in this box at different locations based on whatever value X and Y has. And then this stuff is just for kind of debugging purposes. Doesn't really do anything that affects the game necessarily. But every time that 500 milliseconds goes by here, I'm going to run a function called update, which is this thing here. And really what I'm going to be doing is printing a P in a different location. So I've saved that. And once again, it's really not a game yet. It is something that pops up on a web browser. So if I refresh this, what you'll see is every half a second, another P shows up in a slightly different location because I'm adding this number speed X or speed Y to my X and Y position. Right. So that's what I've accomplished in my next day's work on this project. I actually have something to show for it this time, but I would hardly call it a game. So I will update my example of the progress report on Google Classroom so you can see what I would record for today's stuff. You can obviously watch the video just to see what's going on in my world. I'm a long ways from having a functioning game, but at least there's something showing up now.